In today's Health Alert, the FDA releasing documents outlining its goal to streamline future COVID-19 immunization schedules. Thank you for staying with us. I'm Brian Abel. Future vaccination against the coronavirus may become a much simpler process, similar to the flu shot. Our chief health editor, Dr. Partha Nandi, joining us now with more. And Doc, this sounds like one shot once a year is kind of the new outlook.
Yeah, you know, the FDA's proposed new approach, in this approach, most Americans would be advised to get one dose of the latest COVID-19 vaccine to restore protection, which would most likely be available in the fall. And just like the flu shot, each year, as you suggest, the FDA would first assess what strains are circulating and then decide which ones to include in the annual shot. Now, would folks be able to choose a brand? For example, Pfizer or Moderna? Not likely. The FDA is considering having the shots be interchangeable. I think this will be much easier for many people. I've heard a ton of my patients complain about how confusing it is to stay on top of the COVID-19 shots and boosters, whereas under the FDA's new proposed approach, it wouldn't matter when you got the last vaccine or which one you got. Now, not everyone will only get one shot. Some people may need two. For example, our very young generation, children who may not have been exposed to coronavirus, plus our elderly generation, those who are immunocompromised and therefore more vulnerable to severe illness.
Okay, so what happens if a more dangerous variant emerges? Then also, does this really make sense when this virus so far has proven to be anything but predictable?
That's exactly right. So if a new variant, Brian, that was more dangerous, were to emerge, which is always a possibility with viruses, then the FDA might update the vaccine on an as needed and emergent basis. As for the question regarding a predictable pattern, you're right. You know, it's been there for 3 years and the virus has not yet settled into a seasonal pattern like influenza. Plus, we know the virus can change a lot faster than the flu, but that is why our vulnerable populations may need to get boosted more than once a year, especially as protection may only last 4 and 6 months. Now, the agency's independent vaccine advisors, the Vaccine and Related Biological Products Advisory Committee, now they're scheduled to meet this week. They'll review and vote on whether or not to recommend the FDA's proposed new approach. In the meantime, if you haven't gotten the newest bivalent booster, now is the time to get one. While our case numbers may be down nationally, COVID-19 still accounts for most emergency room visits. That's important. My patients ask me today, should I get it? And I always say yes, please.
Well, and also, if you got the shot, the new one, the bivalent one, right when it was first available, should you think about getting it again after a certain period of time?
I would not, right now, because I think that they'll come up with a new version pretty soon. So unless you're immunocompromised, your doctor tells you to, I would hold off for now.
Okay. Good information as always.
My
Grateful
pleasure.
for your expertise. Thank you, Dr. Nandi.
Of course.
If you have a health question for the doctor, you can email him, Dr. Nandi, at askdrnandi.com, or send it to us on Facebook or Twitter.